This video will show you how to fix the Among Us application taking a while to sign in error. So this error usually means that there is a problem with your internet, the game files, or platform restrictions. First of all, you need to go ahead and check your internet connection. Make sure that it's stable, as a weak connection can cause login delays. Ensure that you're not in an airplane mode and that your Wi-Fi is working correctly. Or you can also try switching between your Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if it works. Next, check the Among Us server status. Sometimes the Among Us servers are down, which happens fairly often. To check, you can go ahead, open a web browser on your mobile device. Then search for Among Us server status. Go to any website such as Down Detector, and if this is the case, you'll have to wait it out. The good news is that Among Us usually fixes the server issues quickly. And if you're using a shared Google Play or Apple ID family account, restrictions might be preventing you from logging in, so check for any other error message you might have missed. This is a platform issue, not a game issue, and you might need to sign in with a different account as well. And if you're on a PC, launch the game from the Steam instead of using the Among Us shortcut. This ensures proper authentication as well. And also, if you're using a VPN, try turning it off to see if the game works without it. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.